Alrighty, we are in the Khumbu. We are on our first day trekking from Kathmandu. We flew out this morning, got up really early at the Yakanyeti Hotel. They arranged an early breakfast for us, and we left the hotel by 5:30 a.m. Went to the airport to the weigh-in for the helicopters, and we were in the valley, but all three helicopters by 8 a.m. this morning. So it was really well done. The weather was good, and everybody weighed in at the airport, loaded up the bags, weighed all the gear, went out to the heliport at the domestic area of the Kathmandu airport, and got in the helicopters and made the flight in about 35 minutes from Kathmandu into Phakding. We arrived in Phakding, did some tea at the tea house, and got everybody settled in a little bit, and then we started out on the trek. So now today we're going from Phakding to Monjo, and we've kind of got a good early start, so we're going to make it to Monjo and have lunch there and then actually spend the night there. So we like to get an early start this first day. Sometimes you can get delayed at the airport with the helicopters or the weather and that kind of thing. So we want to get in and start our trek. But everybody's doing well. First day out on the trail, and it's pretty quiet. It's nice. The weather's good. There's some high clouds, but nothing that didn't prevent us from flying in this morning. And we'll have a good night in Monjo. And then tomorrow we'll head into the Sagamartha National Park and make our way up to Namche Bazaar. But first day out on the trail, it's a beautiful day. It's nice to be back in the Khumbu, and group's getting started here on our trek to Mount Everest Base Camp. Okay, we're just getting started today. It's day 2 on our Everest Base Camp trek, and we are at the entrance to Sagamartha National Park. You can see the entrance gate right there. Group's checking in. The guys are actually, the military guys are trekking for drones this morning in the backpacks. You're not allowed to have drones in Sagamartha National Park. Many national parks, I don't know any around the world that allow drones. So it's something that they are checking for because they probably have a problem with it. But boy, it rained hard all night long, very hard. And we have a decent day. It's actually nice. The temperature's good for hiking, and it's not raining right now. We're prepared for whatever Mother Nature gives us, as always. When we enter into the park, we're going to drop down onto the Dukosi River. We're going to cross a number of suspension bridges and then work our way up Namche Hill into Namche Bazaar, which is really the gateway village of the Khumbu Valley, where they have the trading bazaar on Saturday mornings. And it's the largest village on the trek. So we'll spend 2 nights there, do a little bit of an acclimatization day and look around and do some visits to the monastery and some of the other areas, the Sherpa Museum and the Cultural Museum. But it's a really good day today. We climb from about 9,000 feet up to about 11,500 feet up Namche Hill, get people up there and acclimatized, and we're in the park for the rest of our trip and up to Everest Base Camp. So group's doing well, everybody's having fun, and we're looking forward to the trek to Mount Everest Base Camp.